In today's volatile and changing economy, are you taking the proper steps to ensure your family's future financial needs will be met? For years, many thought financial planning was a concept that only pertained to the wealthy. But today's money experts say financial planning is possible and accessible for every American family.
Financial wisdom that is targeted at everyone isn't right for anyone. You know, today we're really bombarded by the news, by media, columnists in magazines and TV, and we just have to be careful at what advice we are listening to. We really need to be careful of the misconceptions or generalizations that people make, like I won't need life insurance when I retire, or my money just has to keep pace with inflation. These are traps that people can fall into. Having a life plan can really give you the sense of peace and security that you need to weather both the expected and the unexpected.
Because of its many unique advantages, creating an efficient portfolio that includes whole life insurance as an asset class is a new approach that's helping people protect and value their lives.
Unlike term or temporary insurance, you do not need to die to collect the benefits of participating whole life. Policyholders who have participating whole life plans can borrow from the plan on a tax-preferred basis, can withdraw money, and they also receive dividends to the extent that the insurance company has a favorable experience on the policy. And finally, whole life insurance is guaranteed by the company in terms of both cash value and death benefit, and it does not fluctuate with the stock market, unlike many of today's investments.
Founded over 150 years ago, the Guardian Life Insurance Company of America provides life insurance, retirement planning, and investment products and services to millions of consumers nationwide so they can properly plan and protect their futures.
Guardian is a mutual company, which means it's owned by and run for the benefit of its policy owners. As a mutual company, Guardian has two major obligations. The first is to maintain financial strength to pay off policyholder claims very far into the future. And the second is to pay dividends to the extent the company has surplus earnings in order to lower the policyholder's cost of insurance and improve the investment performance of the policy.
Today's consumers are encouraged to work with a professional to establish a financial plan that includes a foundation of life insurance and a variety of financial products and services.
We really believe that sitting down with a professional, someone who knows you, knows your business, knows your family, and knows the right products for you, can give you a tremendous sense of peace once that process is put in place. And someone that is going to be with you for your whole life, your whole career, to make sure that the right adjustments are made to your plan. One of the things Guardian's done to help our financial representatives help their clients is create a tool called the Living Balance Sheet. And it allows our financial representative to work with those clients to build a holistic approach that looks at assets, liabilities, protection, and cash flow. In the absence of having a trusted financial representative, people will just fail to contemplate the complexity of the products and services that are really needed. And so a trusted financial professional can really guide somebody through that complexity.
Our founder, Hugo Wesendonck, stated that a life insurance company should live forever. Guardian has been here 151 years, and we always say we're managing the company for the next 150 years. I think it's important for both consumers and businesses to have a piece of their portfolio that's dedicated to stability for the very long term.
You know, life doesn't take a straight path, it takes unexpected turns. And just like any business owner has a business plan to know where they're going, we need a life financial plan to get us to where we want to go.
Good financial planning is a critical cog in protecting your independence, your assets, and your choices. And considering long-term life insurance should be an important part of the process. For more information, go to guardianlife.com.